Hi there, my name is Aaron Carrington and welcome to this beginner guitar lesson on how to play We Wish You a Merry Christmas with just one fretting hand finger. Before we get zoomed into the guitar, let me just run a couple of things by you. First of all, the strumming pattern. Like all of these one finger songs, we simply strum one chord per chord change. So every time the chord changes, we just do one strum. Next thing, we need to know what chords are actually involved in this song. So one at a time, the chords involved in this song are G, C, A, D, B, E minor, and then to finish off the song it goes C, D, G, but we're going to go into more detail about that right now. So without further ado, for your benefit, let's get zoomed in. So let's get a closer look at our Christmas chords. So first of all, we have our G chord where we strum the D, G and B strings without any fretting hand fingers whatsoever. So that gives us our G chord there. Then for our C chord, we're going to bar those same three strings at the 5th fret. So we can think of that as open 5. Okay. Then for our A chord, we bar the same three strings at the 2nd fret. So go down 1, 2, 3. And that gives you the A chord. And then we're going to jump up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frets to the 7th fret, and that's going to give us a D chord. So far we have this. We have open 5, 2, 7, or G, C, A, D. And then for the next part, we're going to shoot down to the 4th fret on the same three strings. So 7, 6, 5, 4. And that's going to give us a B chord. And then the next chord is E minor, and we do that by switching the string set that we play. So instead of playing the D, G and B, we're going to take our finger off and play the G, B and high E, and that's going to give us an E minor chord. So we've gone from B on one set of strings at the 4th fret to open strings on the other set of strings with no fingers being used, which is your E minor chord. Okay, so to run you through that, we've gone open 5, 2, 7, 4, switch strings, open, and then to finish off we do 5, 7, open on the original set of strings, the D, G and B. 5, 7, open. Okay, so if I run through and sing it for you, it will go like this. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And that is how we play We Wish You a Merry Christmas on the guitar with only one finger. If you would like a chord chart for this and some chord diagrams and things, use the link in the description, head on over to the website, and that's going to help you out there as well. Let me know in the comments section if that was helpful for you, and if you want more one finger songs, check out what's on your screen now.